How to engage with customers on Uber Eats. Engaging with your customers can help you receive more insights, drive more regulars, and build loyalty. From the homepage, navigate to the Customers tab in Uber Eats Manager. Then select Customer Groups to gain more detailed information into your customers. On the Default tab, your customers fall into several categories: new, first order within the last 30 days, returning, ordered more than once in the last 30 days, and lapsed, no orders in the last 30 days. You can also access the Classic Data tab from the top right corner to find information on your menu conversion, new customers, and customer retention. Next, select the Feedback tab and click Reviews. Here, you can reply to customer reviews by selecting a review to reply to. Customers will see your reply as an Uber Eats push notification, an in-app banner, and in your storefront. You can also message a customer if you miss their order or if they cancel. To do this, go to Orders, Order Issue, Unfulfilled, and select Message Customer. Type in your message, add an offer if you like, and hit Send. Engaging with your customers can help you receive more insights, drive more regulars, and build loyalty. Log in to Uber Eats Manager and engage with your customers today.